Welcome back to Retro Phone Show, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at the Samsung SGH-2200. So what are we waiting for? Here we go! Here we have the Samsung SGH-2200. I've also got the 2400 in the box. But I have done a video on the 2400 a while back on my channel. So if you wanted to go back and check that out, feel free. I will show you a little bit on the 2400 on this video, but it's mainly going to be the 2200 we're going to have a look at. This is in the original box, obviously. They're both dual band GSM, released in 1999. So let's have a look. They're more or less the same phone. They look similar, but they are different models. And the batteries will not fit on the other phone. The battery will only fit on the model. You would think you'll be able to interchange the batteries, but you can't. I'll show you that in a minute. Let's get these phones out. Get the charger out. And my batteries. 1 and 2. Stick out there a minute. Right there. This is to show you the 2400 first. The one I showed you before my video. I have got a video on this on my channel already. So if you go back on there, you'll be able to watch it. That's the 2400 with a pull-out antenna. I'll show you that going out in a minute. And here it is, the 2200. This one hasn't got the pull-out antenna, but they do look identical, very much the same. The screen is a little bit smaller on this one, and this one has got a pull-out antenna, and this one hasn't. They both are dual bands, as I said on the front. Dual bands. This one, the black one, is slightly, the 2200 is slightly larger. Not much, mind, just very slightly. Yeah. Right, let me show you the batteries then. Because I thought, before I actually got these phones, before I got the other one, I thought they both fit, but just in case this battery was daft. But lucky enough, it's a very good one, same as this one. It's a very good one. So you can tell which one goes where, obviously with the colours. That one goes on there, that one goes on there. But they are slightly different shape, as you can see. This one is more wider, slightly wider, and see, so they will not fit on the separate interchanging them. You won't be able to. As you can see, this one's a bit wider. Show you there, look, it's wider. So now, if you've got the 2400 or 22 and you wanted to see if the batteries will interchange, no they won't, because I thought they would, but they don't. Right then, let's get my SIM card in here. Just plonk him in there. There we are. He's in. Just put the battery in. Oh, long way around. Obviously, you could put him in like that and just slide him in. That one's in. Same with this one. Just plonk that on there. Slot him in. There we are. So, let's turn these on. Well, that's UK Vodafone as I've been running. Obviously, the SIM card I got in here is not active, and so it's saying limited service. Yeah, and the settings are more or less the same. See, the batteries are both good. I don't know if these are rare or not. I'm not too sure about that, like, but I you don't see many of these around though on eBay and there. Right then, let me have a look at the menus on this. Sound settings. So look at that. Sound settings. Select. Right, let's try the ringtone melodies. Right, let's start from number 1. Right, there's number 1. I will do a startup and shutdown on the two of them together. So, and I'll ring the phone as well in a minute. It's back to number 1. There you have the thing as well. indicating light. There's a charging port. Now the charging port on this and this is exactly the same. So the charger will fit the both of them. No problem at all. There's that one. And that one. No problem at all. So the charger will interchange on the two of them. They're both the same chargers. The back of them. There we are. And as I said, this one's got the pull-out antenna. This one is the SGH-2200 with the pull-out antenna, and obviously the SGH-2200 is just the stumpy aerial. I just have a look at the menu. Some more menus. Phone settings. Phone number, language, backlight, auto dial, auto answer. Yeah. Let's have a look. Obviously we haven't got a camera, and we haven't got no games on here. I can't find no games anyway, so I don't think there's any games on here. Yeah. Obviously when you close it up, it locks the keys. When you open it up, it comes back to life. See? On the side here, they're more or less the same. You have the volume rockers there. You have the earphone jacks in the same place. Obviously the charging port's the same place. Nothing that side. So they're more or less identical. Very identical. If I had to choose one for the looks, I'd probably go for this one, purely because it's silver. It's a nicer colour, but I still like this one as well. I'd rather this one as well because it's got a pull-out antenna. These are unlocked to all networks apart from the free network. So that's good. Like this, ring it then. Let's ring this one. And then we'll do a start up and shut down on the both of them together. That'd be fun. Right then, let's ring it. And there you are. There you have. It says here missed call. Let's open them up. See him better then. Hang on. That's gone now. It said on there missed call. Back. Right then, so there's now. Let's do a start up and shut down then. Let's turn them off a minute. And then we'll do a start up and shut down on screen. Right then, here we go. Let's make sure when I get these, you should be able to see them. Then. Turn them off. There we are. And that is, right, and this one is the SGH-2400. And this one is the SGH-2200. Thanks for watching as usual. And if you do enjoy my videos and you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and it would help my channel, and that would be amazing. But as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll be back pretty soon. But until then, bye!